A few months ago, Instagram dropped its new video editing app, Edits. The idea was clear, and that was to go head-to-head with platforms like CapCut. However, the problem with Edits was that the first time that it launched, the version was pretty meh. It truly had potential, but not for anyone that actually edited videos for a living or on their day-to-day basis. However, we all know that Rome was not built in one day. And over the last few months, Instagram has polished Edits with new updates, new features, and things that finally make you see the app as a complete editing tool. Actually, I've tried all of the new features, and in this video I want to tell you which features are the ones that I think are actually worth it and which I think that are still missing something else to make Edits the tool to edit video. Let's start with one that was long overdue, and that was the Safe Zones feature. And this feature pretty much shows you which are the parts of your videos that will get covered by Instagram buttons. And by buttons, I mean the likes button, the comments button, the saves button, and the share button. And this might sound like a small and dumb feature, but I don't really think it is, because I don't know if it has happened to you, but it certainly has happened to me that, I go edit one video, I put some title or like fonts to it, and then I post it, and I realize that my title is being literally hidden or kind of like going through the likes button of Instagram. And I'm like, oh, it literally feels super frustrating. So I think that this update was truly necessary. And if that first update helped with visual, this one is certainly going to help with rhythm. Now we have the beat markers. And this one's a total game changer for those editing with music all the time. So pretty much what this feature does is that if you go and you upload a video to Edits, you add the music that you want, and you can tap your screen to the beats of that music. And then what Edit does is that it automatically adds your cut points to your video. Then you just have to add the clips to those cut points, and voila, you have a video that moves with the sound of the beat. And before this existed, it was literally all guesswork. You had to listen to the music, listen to the video, make cuts here, make cuts there, and it was very time consuming. Actually, CapCut already had this feature, and I got super used to it when I was editing there, so I'm really glad that Edit has it now, because I think it's truly necessary already. Next up, we have the overlays, which I think are one of the highlights of this new update that Instagram brought with Edits, because now you can finally layer one video into another on Edits. And this was a big missing piece if you wanted to do more creative edits to your videos. Now you can literally show details while you talk, you can add a reaction to what you're saying, or you can use a moving background that has nothing to do with your original video. Literally all you gotta do is upload another clip and just lower the opacity of the video, and you got it done. Sounds and visuals also got a big and huge glow up on the app. Now there are more than 250 new sound effects. You literally have footstep, clicks, transitions, whooshes. Plus, you also have a search bar to find those sound effects super easy if you have your favorite ones. And talking about audio, on that same line, you can also now import your original audios to the app to add it in your videos. And I think this is a huge new feature, because now you can think of literally making your videos way more creative with sounds that you can make at home, find on the streets, and all of that jazz. And if we now go to the visual part, Edits also added new text presets. And with this, I mean already made templates, literally with a type of font, a color, a size, and animation ready for you to add it into your video. And this is actually really good if you want to save some time and you actually like the presets that Edits is offering you. And if you record yourself on the camera very often, or if you edit people that record themselves a lot, you're gonna love this one, because this one is literally French kiss. And that is the feature of cut silences. And it literally does what it says. It automatically detects those empty sounds and deletes it from your video. I actually tried it for a video of 2 minutes, and it automatically deleted 15 seconds of those 2-minute video. So it really saved me some time when I wanted to edit that video. And one of the best parts about this new version that Instagram brought of edits is that you can now automatically send your video into Metricool to schedule it. So you literally edit it and then send it to Metricool, schedule it, pick the best time, and voila, it gets posted. So now you can literally edit within the same app and on your phone, which is pretty magical. And if you cannot do this yet because you don't have an account with us, I'm gonna leave you the link in the description to create a free account and give us a try. That way you can schedule, analyze, and post your content automatically. And when you try edits, let me know which new feature did you like the most, or which one do you think that they have to add. See you in the next one, Metricooler.